right, so this is problem number 2. You will see this picture, and Joe has created this picture using the square tile, some of which he has cut in half to make the figure picture to the right. If each square tile has a side length of 2.5 inches, what is the total area of the figure? So before I even start planning, I'm first going to think about the information given to me. So I know that one square tile has a length of 2.5 inches. So that means this tile is 2.5 inch by 2.5 inch. I know that then the area of one square tile will be 2.5 multiplied by 2.5. So I know that the area of one tile is going to be, I'm going to use my area model. 1/2, 1/2. And remember, we know it's 2.5 by 2.5 because the square has all equal lengths on each side. So 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1/2 is 1, 1, 1/4, 5, 1 1/4. So this total is 6 1/4 inch squared. Then I know that we have half square tiles. So that means that this 6 1/4 would be divided in half for the half tiles. So 6 1/4 divided by 2 be B, 3 1/8. So now I just have to think about the tiles that I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 whole tiles. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 half tiles. So now I can multiply my areas by each of these numbers. So I know I'm going to put it in, So I'm going to have 10 multiplied by the area, because I have 10 whole tiles, and a whole tile area is 6 1/4. So 10 times 6 1/4 plus 6 times 3 1/8. And that should get your total area of the picture that Joe used. I'm going to give you a minute to solve that. You can pause it here, or if you're ready to check your work, that total area should total 81 1/4 square inches. Okay, and that's number 2. And so go back and think, does that make sense? Could I have done a different way to solve that might have been more straightforward for you? And that's number 2.